Revelation is most difficult and confused for Jesus followers. It seems no any relations linkage with other books of Bible. Most of contents are symbolic that can't understand what is it talking about. If God gives us revelation to read, is it really no hints to let us understanding the revelation? We found that it is highly similar to the route of Israelites left Egypt to Promised Land. Is that God wants us to know the revelation like that? Let's review the process, how Israelites left Egypt. Before Israelites left Egypt, they smeared the blood of lamb on their doorposts. It symbolizes Jesus was killed as a symbol of the lamb. That's why the lamb is the significant role in Revelation. It happened like below. First, salvation. Angel was leading Moses and Israelites entering Promised Land. The first seal, as angel leading Moses and Israelites entering to the Promised Land during the 40 years. It's like open the first seal of Revelation. Come. The white horse with crown came out conquering and to conquer. The white horse, Jesus, would save God's people and leading them to enter the real Promised Land, the new heaven and new earth. Second, wars. Wars were happening during the period of Israelites entering Promised Land. It's like the second seal. Open the second seal of Revelation. The red horse symbolizes wars to take peace from the earth. Third, famine. Israelites suffering the food shortage during the period in the wilderness. The third seal. Open the third seal of Revelation. The black horse symbolizes famine. A quart of wheat for a denarius, and 3 quarts of barley for a denarius. And do not harm the oil and wine. Fourth, death. Death occurred during the wilderness period because of pestilence, snake, famine. It's like the fourth seal. Open the fourth seal of Revelation, a pale horse called Death. To kill with sword, and with famine, and with pestilence, and by wild beasts of the earth. Fifth, God's covenant. Jehovah God made covenant with Israel in the Mount Sinai. Israel would be the holy nation and the nation of priests in the Promised Land. You yourselves, like living stones, are being built up as a spiritual house, to be a holy priesthood, to offer spiritual sacrifices acceptable to God through Jesus Christ. But you are a chosen race, a royal priesthood, a holy nation, a people for his own possession. It's like the fifth seal. Open the fifth seal of Revelation. The souls under the altar were given a white robe and need to wait until the number of their brothers complete. The rest of heavenly woman's offspring as spiritual sacrifices offered to God. They will form the heavenly Israel, the real holy nation, and the real nation of priests in the new heaven and new earth. Sixth, entering the Promised Land. When Israelites have to enter the Promised Land officially, 12 spies, except 2, reported a bad news. Israelites had seen and experienced the mighty of God, but still lacked faith in Jehovah God. They refused to enter the Promised Land. It made God angry, so God also refused that generation to enter the Promised Land. They had to walk around, looping and looping in the wilderness, until the 40 years end. Entering the Promised Land was hold on or paused. Jesus coming. Apostles came to Jesus privately, saying,
"Tell us, when will these things be, and what will be the sign of your coming and of the end of the age?"
Jesus answered,
"You will hear, for this must take place, but the end is not yet. But when you see the abomination of desolation standing where he ought not to be, let the reader understand. Then there will be such tribulation as has not been from the beginning of the creation that God created until now, and never will be.
And Jerusalem will be trampled underfoot by the Gentiles from AD 70 until the times of the Gentiles are fulfilled." How long of the times of Gentiles? They will trample the holy city for 42 months. That means 42 months must be a symbolic period. Open the 6th seal of Revelation. The great day is come. Sun become black, full moon become blood, star fall onto the earth. The kings, the generals, are hiding themselves. Seems the end day is to come. Open the 7th seal.